We have had a horrible spring. It was cold, it was rainy, we even had snow. And we were unable to get to the backyard to get it cleaned up. And so everything is just overgrown. And we had some things we wanted to get done. Yeah, we didn't get it done. As you can tell, look at it. It's just wild. It's like a jungle. Here's like number 50 of the pots to go down to the compost pile. But you can see everything is overrun. And it's just, it's terrible. It's never been this bad, except when we get back from trips. Then it's that bad. But we're working on it. But what I wanted to show you is I've got seeds in. These are flower seeds. And I'm hoping they come up. This is the vegetable garden. We have tomatoes. And we bought them because it was a beautiful day. Yeah. Brought them home, put them in their pots. And lo and behold, we had freezing weather come in for a week. So all the tomatoes had to go into the garage. And I had planted all these vegetables. But we couldn't take these into the garage because we couldn't lift it up. I got lettuce, radishes, beets, cucumbers, and in between rows I have onions. So this was planted first. And we covered it up, hoping that the cold wouldn't get to it, but yeah, I think it got to it a little bit. Over here is my second city picker plot. And these were put in a week later. And they're a lot larger than the first picker plot. And this plot has red beets, radishes, and lettuce and cucumbers, with some onion sets that I put in there. So I just wanted to show you, even though the other plot was planted a week earlier, the cold got to it. This one is doing so much better. And as a matter of fact, the lettuce is ready that I can start picking some of it. You trim a little bit off, enough for a little bowl of lettuce, and then it will continue growing, and then you can keep picking off the leaves. I'm hoping for good weather, and I bet you are too. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.